Today, we will present you unboxing a desktop laser marking machine and check the machine works well or not. Firstly, you need to prepare some tools: the vise, hammer, wrench, knife, and gloves. Then, of course, wearing a gloves. Use wrench to lift the nails. Use a hammer to open the nails. Then do same steps like the previous. There are totally 10 nails on the cover. We move up the cover, also lifting the nails like previous times. The same step as previous. Take out the filling sponge from the package. Be careful when you take out the sponge. After removing the sponge, we can take out only 2 wooden pieces to get the machine out of the box. The net weight is about 50 kg. Better to get 2 people to carry it on the desk. Then move the wooden box aside. Remove the tape and sponge from the machine. Be careful when using the knives to prevent scratch on the surface of the machine. Then we check the machine list. Standard machine list is with power cap, foot pedal, USB wire, and a wrench, fixed bar. Before all connection, check the voltage of the machine. When it is 110 voltage or 220 voltage. If it meets your working voltage request or not. It is very important. Remember to connect the GND front wire before wall connection. Then we connect the machine electricity. Connect foot pedal. If using EasyCAD software, need to connect the laptop. You can use your own or ask supply to prepare for you. Connect the laptop to the machine with USB wire. After connection, we start the machine in next. Firstly, we start the key switch and the emergency stop. When the get light is on, prove that the machine is powered on properly. Then we start the software. Move the lens cover. Press the laser on/off button. Machine is on. We draw a sample file in the software. To check if the laser works well or not, find the machine focus lens. The machine has double red focus function. We press the button in the front middle of the head. Then shake the column until the 3 dots into 1, which means the focus lens. After we find the focus lens, then we draw a rectangle in the software. Press lighting. Lighting is OK. We stop the light and press marking. Marking is a rectangle, the same as the software shows. Means the machine works perfectly. Want to know more about the detail marking? You can watch our next video, shows how to operate the machine. So this is the end of the unboxing. If you want to know more, please follow us and check in the other videos.